Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 4 simple equations exercise 4.3. First Roman says about solve the equation. Here also equation are giving there find the value of that variables. So the solve the equation. Solve the equation. So first question. 2y plus 5 by 2 equal 37 by 2. How to do this question? Here we want variable y value we want. That's why plus 5 by 2 send to opposite side. Plus value goes to opposite side, change it to minus value. So we can write it as a 2y is equal to already right side 37 by 2 is the plus 5 by 2 goes to right side, change it to minus 5 by 2. Both are fractional number. That's why a direct subtraction not possible. LCM, but here both of them denominator are equal. That's why a numerator just you subtract and same denominator, right? So 2y is equal to how much? 32 by 2 will come in there. Then 2 and 32 both 2 table possible to cancel. 2 table 2 1 time. 2 table 32 how many times? 16 times. Again 2y is equal to 60. What is the value of y? Here see 2 table use it to cancel right and left. That's why 2 table to 1 time. 2 table 16 8 times. So y value become how much? 8 is the answer. In this way giving equation was solving. One more question. Same models. One more question. 5t plus 28 equal 10. How to do that? Our aim is to find out the t value. Here first 1 by 1 send it to right side. Plus 28 goes to right side, change it to minus 28. So 5t is equal to right side already 10 is there. Plus 28 goes to right side, change it to minus 28. What is the answer? Subtraction do in time. 28 to minus 10 comes to be 1 is a positive integer, 28 is a negative integer. What we want to do? Subtraction doing. Subtraction doing how much? 18. Which is bigger number? Subtract and put big number sign. 28 is bigger, symbol of 28 is minus. Then so we get a 5t is equal to minus 18. So t value become how to, friends? First we check it right and left. Cancellation possible? No. 5 table 18 not the no. Cancellation not possible case. Numerator coefficient of t is 5. Numerator number sent to opposite side. It comes where last class we learned numerator number goes to opposite side, comes to be denominator. So our answer become minus 18 by 5 is the answer. I hope you can understand this one. One more question, third question. Here 7m plus 19 by 2 equal 13. How to do this question? Here also our aim is to find out m value, but directly we can't able to do 1 by 1 send it to right side and a variable m keep left side. That value find out. First 7m, 7 carry m carrying term, that is 7m keep left side only. Then plus 19 by 2 send to right side, plus value goes to opposite side, you change it to minus. Already 13 is in the right side, plus value goes to opposite side, minus 19 by 2. Here see 1 is a 13 is a whole number, 19 by 2 is a fractional number. How to subtract? A direct subtraction not possible. Here 13 have no denominator. For avoiding confusion you can keep 1 as a denominator. Then just cross multiplication process doing. So 7m is equal to cross multiply. 2 is multiplied with 13. So 2 into 13 into 2 will coming there. Minus 19 into 1 whole divided by denominator part multiply. 1 2s are how much? 2. Again calculation. 7m is equal to multiply 13 2s are how much? 26 minus 19 by 2. Numerator part subtract and the same denominator, right? 26 by minus 19 because how much? it will become a 7 by a 26 minus 19 becomes 7 and denominator become 2. Again here continuing, our aim is to find out a 1. So 7m value become how much? 7 by 2. Then check it, numerator cancellation possible or not, right or left? Yes. Numerator of left side 7 and right side 7. Numerator 7 we can able to cancel. 7 table 7 1 time, 7 table 7 1 time. Therefore our final m become how much? 1m means m only. Here right side numerator value is how much? 1. Denominator value is 2. So m value become how much? 1 by 2 is the answer. I hope you can understand this question, this model question, first Roman. Then second Roman also like this only. Solve the equation type questions only. Some equations are giving us all that equations. Second Roman. Here a question 2 into x plus 4 equal 12. Here slight difference is the bracket is there. Such a type of question. Bracket carrying question. So what we want to do, outside number multiply to inside a distributive property. Here multiplication over distributive property of multiplication over addition case here applying there. So outside number multiply to inside and open the bracket and make it as a correct equation. So 2 into x to become 2x. Here plus is that 2 4s are how much? 8. 8 is equal to right side which number 12. Now correct equation will get in there. Then find out the value of a variable x. So we first variable carrying term keep in left side, other term send it to right side. So 2x keep left side first, plus 8 send to right side. Right side already which number 12 is there. Plus value goes to opposite side, change it to minus 8. Then subtraction 12 minus 8 to become how 12 minus 8 to become how much? 4 is the answer. So 2x value how much we got? 4 is the 2x value. Then check it, numerator and numerator cancellation possible. Yes, 2 table 2 1 time, 2 table 4 2 times. So x value become how much? 4 is 2 is the answer. I hope you can understand this one. Then next one more this type question, 3 into n minus 5 equal minus 21. Minus 21. This question here also they are in the bracket. First you open the bracket and correct equation form a framing. How to framing outside 3 is multiplied to the inside bracket. How many numbers are and how many numbers are there? That full numbers multiplication. 3 into n become a 3n. 3 into minus 5 become minus 15 equal minus 21. I hope you can understand. Then 3 and n variable term keep left side first. Then constant term send to opposite side. So 3 and keep left side. Minus 15 goes to right side, change it to plus 50. Already right side which number is there? Minus 21. Minus 21 here plus 15. So subtraction doing time, how much will come in there? Here 6 will coming there. Each of them here 6 will coming there, and which is 6 minus 6 will coming there. So 3n value become how much? Minus 6. Then right and left cancellation possible or not? Check it. Yes, possible. 3 table 3 1 time, 3 table minus 6 minus 2 times. That means 3 table 6 2 times, but minus is that's why minus 2. 1n means n value become how much? Minus 2 is the answer. That is the meaning of the question. Solve that equation. I hope this second Roman also you can able to understand this one. Third Roman also same model only. First we that's same model question. First we frame the correct equation. So here third Roman solve the equation. That also same only solve the equation. solve the equation. First question, 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. Here also bracket carrying term is there. That's why open that bracket and a correct equation fit. 4 is equal to 5 is multiplied inside the bracket and open the bracket. 5 into p become 5p minus 5 into minus 2 become minus 10 is the answer. Again here what we want to do, p variable term, keep it on the here variable term in the right side only. First we keep a right side, later we can clearly write. So first variable term keep left side, right side only, minus 10 send to opposite side. So 4 is in the left side already, minus 10 bring to left side means a symbol change to plus 10. Plus 10 is equal to 5p. Then add plus 10 means adding 4 and 10 were add. 4 plus 10 comes to be how much? 14 is equal to 5p. Then check right and left cancellation possible or not? Not possible. That's why what we want to do, 5 send it to right side. Numerator 5 goes to that means coefficient 5 goes to opposite side, comes to be where denominator. So answer become how much? 14 already is there, by 5 is equal to p. So clearly writing how we can write a p value become how much? 14 by 5 is the p value. I hope you can understand this one. One more question. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Next question. How to frame the, first we frame the correct equation and afterwards m value find out. So here right left side 0 is there, 16 plus open the bracket, 4 is multiplied to the inside bracket, 4 into m become 4m minus 4 6 are how much? 24. Again 0 is equal, these two are a constant terms without variable term. That's why calculation with the here with the help of the equation we can symbol we can calculation do. Here's looking time 16 here minus 24, both are constant. So 24 minus 16, subtraction doing how much? Borrow and subtract. 14 minus 6 comes to be how much? 8, which is bigger number? Minus 24 or 16 is bigger, minus 24 is greater. That's why our answer become minus 8. So we can write 4m minus 8 will getting there. Then first what we want to do, m value find. So minus 8 to send it to right side. M term now also keep it on the right side only. First one by one send other constant terms. So 0 already there in the left side, minus 8 to bring to left side, change it to plus 8 equal right side. Which term is there? 4m term is there. 0 plus 8 to become how much? 8. 8 equal 4m. Then right and left cancellation possible or not? Yes, 4 table cancellation, 4 table 4, 1 10, 4 table 8, 2 10. Therefore, m value become how much we have? 2. Or clearly we can write m value is equal to 2 is the answer. I hope you can understand this model. Then next we go through another question exercise 4.3, 4.4 exercise. There also here what we want to do here is to next model exercise they given the statement. With the help of that statement we frame the like this way equation framing framing after solve and find out the variable value. Understood? Here next exercise 4.4 exercise, what they say means they given the statement where they are giving the question. With the help of that statement we frame the equation framing after find out the value of that variable. That is the exercise 4.4 exercise. So first question, first Roman, first question they says that here first Roman a question, add 4 to 8, add 4 to 8 times a number a number, you get 60. You get 60. In this way, they gave this statement. If 4 is added to, in which way? 8 times a number. A number means we don't know which number is multiplied with 8. Then that number is added with 4. At that time, get means result to become how much? 60. That is the meaning of the question. A number is multiplied with 8 times means multiplication. 8 and that number is added with 4. Then you get to means result to become 60. So we can consider, let the number be, we can consider that unknown number be x. Unknown case we consider an alphabet as x or any alphabet. I here consider it as x. Then according to the question, short form AQ, according to question, what we can, 8 times represent as which operation? Into a number how we consider x, then is add with 4, so add with 4 or add 4, anyway you can, or otherwise you can write in this way. 4 is add 4 2 means plus 8 times, 8 into times means into a number we consider it as x, that is equal to you get to means the result become how much? 60. That means clearly we write 4 plus 8 into x become 8x is equal to 60. Now we frame an equation. Solve this equation and find out x value. That is the meaning of this exercise 4.4 first Roman. So how to find out x value? First constant 4 send it to right side, plus 4 goes to opposite side, change it to minus 4. 60 minus 4, 60 minus 4 become how much? 56 will come in. So 8x value become how much? 56. Right and left cancellation possible or not? Yes. 8 table 1 time. 8 table 56 7 time. Therefore x value become how much? X becomes 7 is the answer. In this way question frame and write down the first equation frame with the help of the statement and variable value find out. B question 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. In this way they given 1/5 of a number. Here also that same way, a number is there. So we don't know which is that number. A number is minus with which number? 4. That time it gives us what is the answer? 3 is the answer. 1/5. So let the number, unknown number, we consider it as number as x. In this way, right? In which way? 1/5 how to write? 1/5 of a number. Of means which operation? Early second chapter we learned. Of means which operation? Into a number we consider it as an alphabet x. Minus, so minus which number? 4, minus 4. Gives means a result. So we put a equal symbol. Which number? 3. So 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives means equal. Answer become how much? 3. So clearly write in there 1/5 into x become how much? 1/5 x minus 4 equal 3 is our equation. Our aim is to find x value. How to find out x value? First minus 4 constant term send to opposite side. Minus 4 goes to right side, change it to plus 4. Add with the right side 3. So 1/5 x is equal to right side number 3 is there. Minus 4 goes to opposite side, comes to be plus 4. So 1/5 adding to how much? 3 plus 4 comes to be 7. So 1/5 x value become how much? 7. Last class we learned here here denominator any number means it goes to opposite side, cross multiplied there. Or 1 by 5 is a fractional number, reciprocal take at multiply. So x value become how much? 7 already there, multiplied with the reciprocal of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 reciprocal become how much? 5 by 1. Denominator 1 means leave it, 5 NF. So x into x equals 7 into 5 become how much? 35. So clearly we can write x value become how much? 35 is the answer. I hope you can understand the B question. The next C question. C question. Here also we want to frame what I subtracted 11 from twice a number. The result was 15. Like this way they given. Here also what I subtract a number. In which way? What I subtracted 11 from twice a number. A number is again here. A number means what we want to do? Consider that number as x or y or z or t or any alphabets. I consider it as x. Let the number as x. Then how to frame the equation? See, in which way I subtracted 11 the word from after coming number right to first. Subtraction case from after number coming for that one right first. Subtraction with which number? Twice means how we can write twice. It represent as 2. Twice a number means a number we consider it as x. Subtracted with which number? Minus 11. The result how to write? Equal, and result was 15. In this way we are writing. Then in which way I subtracted with which number? 11. 11 is subtracted from after that sentence we take first. Always like that. Subtraction case from after coming number take first right, then which number they telling that one secondly right. Twice means how we can write 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. So 2 times represent as which operation? Into operation. That's why 2 into a number we consider an we don't know which number. So we consider it as an alphabet x. So 2 into x subtracting minus 11 equal how much will get in there? 15. 2 into x become how much? 2x. Minus 11 equal 15. Minus 11 sent to opposite side comes to be plus 11. Okay, then add 11 plus 15 plus 11 comes to be how much? 26. So 2x value become how much? 26 is the 2x value. Right and left cancellation possible or not? Check. Yes, possible. 26 is an even number. That's why 2 table possible. 2 table 2 1 time. 2 table 26 1 and 3 13. Therefore x value become how much? 13 is the answer. I hope you can understand this C question. One more question, D question. D question they given as Anwar thinks a number. Anwar thinks a number and one boy think a number. So we can write it as Anwar thinks of a number. In this way they given the question number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. In this way they give here in which way next was Anwar, one boy thinking a number. He thinks a number. In which way he thinks? He takes. In which way? Take away. Take away means what we want to do. Which operation? Take away. That means subtraction we doing. Take away which number? 7. 7 is taking away from after coming number, right? 5 by 2 of the number. 5 by 2 of that unknown number, and take away means subtraction from after coming number, right? From after coming which number? 5 by 2. Of means the word of means in second chapter we learned of means multiplication. The number or a number we consider it as an alphabet x. What we want to do, he takes away means which operation? Subtraction operation. Which number? 7. The result how we write? Equal. Which number result become how much? 23 is the result. So 5 by 2 of a number means x. Take away from the take away means subtracted with which number? 7. The result represent as equal. Result become how much? 23. So 1 by 1 solve. Clearly writing time 5 by 2 x minus 7 equal 23. X value find out. How to find out x value? Minus 7 send to right side, change it to plus 7. Constant term send to 1 by 1. Variable term keep it to left side. So 5 by 2x first we keep it to left side. Minus 7 goes to right side. Added with the plus sign change. Add with 23. So 23 is added with 7. First right side number write first, then afterwards only left side number, opposite side number writing there. Then 23 plus 7 comes to be how much? 30 will coming there. So 5 by 2 x is equal to how much? 30 is the answer. Then check in right and left cancel. Yes, numerator and numerator cancellation possible. 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 36 times. So 1 by 2 we get 1 by 2 x is equal to right side which number? 6. Therefore x value become how much? 1 by 2 is a fractional number. Send to right side means how it write? Reciprocal. Take and multiple. Reciprocal already we learned. Reciprocal means a denominator goes to numerator and numerator number comes to be denominator. So x value becomes 6 into 2 by 1 means a denominator 1 means leave 6 2s are how much? 12. Therefore we can clearly write x value become how much? 12 is the answer. I hope you can understand this Roman exercise 4.4 first Roman. In this way they frame, first we frame the equation with the help of that statement, frame the equation, then afterwards solve for that variable. Always they giving us an unknown number. So a number like this way, a number give asking time any variable x or y or t or any variable you can consider and may frame as an equation and solve that equation and find out that variable value. I hope you can understand this model question. This chapter is completed. Thank you.